Hello together, welcome back to Rafael Cooking Style. Today we're gonna prepare a speedy guacamole, a perfect Mexican sauce for dipping, for grilling, just in everyday dish can it be there and it will be completely eaten. Yeah, it's just delicious one. Yeah, we're gonna start cutting avocados into half and then we're gonna remove the core or the seed of the avocado and with help yourself with a spoon and just remove the avocado from its shells. Yeah, like just like kind of peel it. Yeah, like you see, I'm mashing it like just a regular mashed potato. We're gonna create a paste with the avocado. Yeah, just like you see. Yeah, now we're gonna season it. To season it, we need just lime juice or lemon juice, the one you have. We need some salt, pepper, extra virgin olive oil, and if you like, you can add any spicy chili like a habanero or chili sauce or some spiciness if you like. I don't do it because my little one doesn't eat spicy. That's why I don't use it. Yeah, but you of course you can. It's bring you also more taste to the guacamole itself. Yeah, so some salt, some pepper, as you may see, extra virgin olive oil, of course, a little bit, and now we're gonna mix it together. And we're gonna do a first check with the taste if it's not too salty, if you need more sourness or something like that. Yeah, just on the side, and then we're gonna just chop very small fresh coriander, like you see. Cut it as small as you can. Yeah, fresh coriander just bring just the touch for this sauce. It's just incredible. You see, it's in all our sauces. There are coriander. Yeah. Then we're gonna add the coriander to our avocado paste. Yeah, and we're gonna just mix it together, and that's it. Yeah. As I told you, I tasted and I need more sourness, so I'm adding when I have more lemon or lime juice and a touch of salt. That's it. Yeah. Now mix it. Yeah, the other a half of lemon. Yep. There you are. Now mix it all together on the side, and we're gonna chop some brunoise from tomatoes and red onion. Just cut it very small, and then you're gonna just incorporate the onion first. It doesn't matter who's first, but the onion, and just mix it together, like you see. Yeah, carefully, just mix it that everything get properly mixed, and there's onion everywhere and avocado everywhere, of course. And just after that, we're gonna add our tomato. What I did to tomato, I cut it and then I let it settle down to remove all the excess of water. Yeah, I kind of rinse it. Yeah, just settle down and just let it there for a few minutes, 3, 4, 5 minutes, and it lost the water. With this water, I don't want it in the sauce. It will be too watery, the sauce. Yeah, that's why I just remove it, and then we are ready to go. Now you can plate it and you can just enjoy it in your grill with a dips, with some nachos. And I hope you like it. If you do, leave your thumb up button and of course subscribe to the channel. I wish you a nice journey, everyone. Take care.